What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have an exciting one. We're gonna be doing a mod that is pretty much a must unless you already have it. But before we get started, we're gonna pull up to Manny's house because it's really hot and he has a little nice place to kind of work on the car. So we'll meet you there. Hello, my boy.
What's up, gang?
Thank you for the nice spot because I was burning.
It's hot, man. It's hot today.
Bro, it's so hot. What's this?
That's the mascot.
So now that we're here, let's start opening these boxes because I'm very excited to see them.
Alright, guys, so this is the new and the old. Big difference. Look at that thing. That thing is a monster. Sleeping on the job? Hey, yo! Wake the fuck up, bro. Wake the hell up. Bro, we just took a... My bad, bro. Let's go. Let's get to work.
So after about 20-25 minutes of fighting with it, we got it. We got it off.
No bumper removal necessary.
Yeah. But it's probably easier if you take it off. You may be wondering why we're taking the old modules off the headlights. So basically, we bought, can't see it, the new modules, but for some reason they didn't send me screws.
Recycle and reuse. Go to Sexy Red concert.
Ew. I know you're trolling. So guys, I know it's late. Right now, believe it or not, we are working on coating this to the headlights because the headlights do not work until you get them coated. Okay, so a couple days later, after me and Manny installed the headlights, I went to coat them with the coater and ended up finding out that one of the modules is incorrect. So I had to go and place an order for a new one, and then here we are now trying to tackle it before the night catches up to us. And these are the two new modules. So old and the right one, you're not gonna be able to really tell, but it's just the codes. Oh, on this side, you see right here, yeah, they're a little different. The pita.
Gotta be kidding. I almost broke my neck, look.
Alright, so all the coating is done. We even got rid of my notifications. And just to kind of show you guys. Ta-da! It's kind of hard to see it, you know, in the night. But from the side, you can kind of see it a little bit better. They are amazing. I freaking love them, not gonna lie. It looks so freaking good. It makes the car look so much newer. But since it's so late and it's hard to see the headlights, I will see you guys tomorrow with better clips during the day. Alright, it's the next day. Let me show you guys the headlights. I feel like every F80 and F82 should have these. Like, I mean, look at it. It makes the car look so much newer and much more aggressive. Now, it is a very expensive upgrade, but if you're planning on selling your OEM ones like I am, you're gonna get some money back, so it's not too bad. So if you guys are looking for OEM ones, hit me up.